Hello. So I thought I'd take a look at Bitcoin, and we're down on the 15-minute chart, seeing if we can make a bottom here in Bitcoin US dollar. I'm going to look at Bitcoin US dollar first, and then I'm going to look at Bitcoin euro. So here on the hourly chart, you can see the wedge consolidation. We had two support levels that we were looking for. Remember, we were looking for either 8,800 around there or 8,400. So 8,875 or 84.50 to be support for Bitcoin US dollar. And so far we've double bottomed. We made a swing failure pattern and double bottomed at this trend line support, and we've also made like a false breakout. You know, false breakouts on third touches of trend lines or support levels are very common. So far so good. It's looking good for a base here. I'm down though on the 15 minutes saying, what do we need to see to confirm that this is the low in Bitcoin? Well, first of all, I think back above 9,000, 8,994 at Bitfinex is the 236 fib from this high to low. So that would put us above these 15-minute moving averages. Though very often when you make a base, you know, we might stop here initially, pull back, and then carry on through that level. So that will be the first level of resistance. That says that we've stopped going down. What says that we're going up again is back above 9,190. That's the midpoint of this wedge triangle consolidation that we're in. So if we get back above 9,190, we're going to go back to the top of the wedge. And very often, if you get a false breakout one direction, it's followed by a real breakout the other direction. So real breakout the other direction to say that we're going higher. We really need to see Bitcoin sort of back above, I think, 9,400, 9,450, but 9,565 probably, and these prior highs would be it for sure. And then our first resistance level comes in at 9,900 and then 10,000. So round number 10,000 is where we're gunning for if we can make a bottom and go higher from here. So good luck. Remember, if we don't, and if we break down and we continue lower, then 8,450 is where we're looking for support next. I'm quickly going to do those same prices in Bitcoin Euro. So let's take a look at Bitcoin Euro. We'll look at Bitfinex as well for now as we're here. So here's the same wedge. I'm going to draw it like this, so you can see how we did it from start to finish. Here's our wedge consolidation. Here's our swing low that we're looking for. We measure from this high to this low, and we project it from here. So 7,336 was the level we were looking for, and you can see we've tagged it exactly. We've made a marginal new low in this one, and we've also made a false break sort of this trend line support. So potentially we could be looking to rally here from in Bitcoin and Euro. If I measure from high to low, we'll look for that 236 confirmation level, and if I line it up correctly, there you go, 74.60. So we haven't managed to get above it yet, but a 15-minute close above 74.60 should send us back to the midpoint around 7,600, and then above 7,600 back to the highs in Bitcoin Euro, looking for a break higher, and 8,200 next. So good luck. Let's see what we can do here. We're right at the place, so let's see.